Righto, Chad. We're going for a little cheeky, what do you call it? Like gloomy, dark, fucking photo shoot. We got the R7 down here. That's them. We're gonna be absolutely cruising. We're gonna go down to the river. Down to the river. Yep. Should be quite dope shit. Big gloomy. Yeah, big gloomy. Yeah. It's gonna be lit. Currently sending. This roundabout, when it is wet and slippy, is by all means exactly that, wet and slippy. It's very shitty concrete, very slippery. Cameraman. Tree sap and engine oil and whole works. Yeah, that's recipe. You know, that's a recipe for fun. Drifting around on the knobs again. Wow. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. We have made it to the first destination. River is in fact flowing. Where should we? I'm gonna get him to go down. We'll go down on the onto that thing. It should be an alright photo. We'll see how it goes, eh? There's only one way to do, and that's what to do. R7's been in the spot. Photos are meh. I'm yet to detail this bike, so it is a little bit dirty. I did bring a few things that I thought. One of my cans didn't end up working, another one was basically empty. Anyway, my fault, my bad. That's what editing's for. Oh shit, almost fell off. R7's looking mighty fine. Do I still prefer the MT? Obviously, but it's definitely an alright looking bike. You know, if you put some real carbon on it, it actually looks pretty decent. But it's expensive. It's an expensive bike. I mean, it's a lot of money. It does need to put air in his front tyres though. Those are well shot. Rears. Oh shit, yeah, in the rears too. Hey, Connor. I'll flip it up. Yeah. Connor the bread. Hell yeah, on the R7. There's a few little things, but it's alright, it's alright.
Only a few days old, but
Well, it's a couple of years old, but you know, new to you.
yeah, new to me.
New to you. So that's alright. Right, we're gonna go to a different spot. We're gonna get a couple more videos. Couple more vids, couple more pics. We'll get something right. On to the spot. Look at him. God, for a ginger, you sure are handsome. Yeah. We're going to a spotty under the bridge. That's where we're going. In the pussy wagon. Just pulled up to the next spot. He's coming up. We're gonna get a few photos just along here. Yep.
We're gonna chat shit now. Right, so gonna happen, boys.
And you can turn it around. person.
Let's have a look at the sounding. That's a Yoshima exhaust for you. Look at that L plate pulling it. More pops.
They're out for you, Connor.
Oh shit! Are they coming for me?
Yeah. I got over that crack. That should be about the best. Big ass bridge. 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 To the bridge. Yeah, it's.
Let him go. Yeah. No, just
Literally just come out. Just come all the way.
yeah, come all the way out, and then you'll have to reverse it back in. Chronicles. We'll figure it out. We'll get there. We'll get there.
Right, we got there in the end. Bridge. Bridge. We had it in the background. Obviously big Leppa. So yeah, we got it going. We're gonna move to a different spot now. New spot should be better, I think. Get it down onto the thing.
Onto the wharf.
Alright.
Bit of risky business over the wharf.
Bit of risky disky. Alright. We're going. I don't know. Yeah, and I'll get some outside rollers from you.
Round two. We'll see if we can get some lean in.
That's pretty good.
Let's get them shots there. Shots! Shots on shots!
Yeah, so we just got done doing the shots under the bridge. Right there. Gone to the next spot. Any thoughts and opinions?
Any there, any thoughts?
Oh yeah, massive.
Real bad.
Massive need to do.
But after Kirsch, we'll go get some air in the tyres to see if we can get some rollers.
Boom, boom. All right, we're down at the river again. Not a bad spot. Bike's over this direction. There. And what I'm thinking is I'll try work out a shot out of my ass. Maybe I'll turn the bike just a bit. Maybe I'll get it through the tree just there. I'm not sure.
I know I'm not the best guy. I'm not as bad as everyone.
No, you're worse than what they say. Yeah. You too.
Down at Kirsch. It's a bit rainy, a bit wet. Sucks a bit.
My storage gonna be full. It's raining, Chad. It's raining.
Bit wet.
Bit wet. As you can see with the wood finishes, she's a bit moist outside. We're going to get some schmozzle. Then some food.
Spot on.
Oh, you
Excavator counts, I don't care.
piece of shit. Spot on. That one counts. Alright. Yeah, and we're going to get some food after that. Should be the end of today's shenanigans.